If you're a lash artist, there's probably one thing you're not doing that is making you miss out on 2 to 5K a month. I'm going to explain exactly what that is in a second, but first I want to start off with saying you already invested in yourself and took that risk to become a lash artist, and it worked out for you. And so you already have that business mindset that a lot of people don't have. Do not sit and stay comfortable with where you're at. You need to expand, expand, and expand. You want that dream car? Expand. You want that farmhouse with a wraparound porch? Expand. You want to give your kids a life you never had? Expand. Do not sit comfortable even if you're fine with where you're at, because where you're at is never promised. Like I said, you already took that risk at entrepreneurship, so the world is your oyster. So here is exactly what you're missing out on as a lash artist, and that is becoming an online lash educator. If you don't have the time to create an online course, don't worry, we got you. We have an online resellable lash training course that we have taught over 1,000 students with, that we have actually recreated for lash artists around the world, so you can buy it once and resell it as many times as you'd like to your audience.